Your DNA has been manipulated. We've all been disconnected. Our DNA disconnected, our consciousness reduced. Please keep scrolling if you are not a free thinker. We have something called a worship gene that was embedded into the human genome over 200,000 years ago. This is around the same time that they discovered that human chromosome number 2 was literally taken out of the human body, fused together, and 2 telomere caps were put on each end. This was actually done in a lab, and they are not denying this. The Sumerian tablets, one of the oldest texts on this planet, it talks about how the first human in existence was genetically modified over 200,000 years ago. So what does that have to do with DNA? Well, the Sumerians built a tower that was rivaling the tower that the Anunnaki had built. We united and we came together, okay? And we built something together, either to honor the gods or just duplicate what was already done. It gets even more interesting. An entity known as Enlil, who is also Yahweh in the Bible, he sees this and completely blows everything up out of anger. And then as punishment, he says that man will only live up to 120 years as opposed to the thousands of years that we used to live back then. If you guys know anything about history, human beings used to live up to like age 1000 and something. We lived a lot longer than we do now. Under the most pristine conditions, we should be able to live up to 120 years of age. The reason we don't is because they put things in our food, in the air that we breathe, in the water that we drink. The list goes on and on.